Today's topic is acid rains. Acid rains. So what is acid rains and when it is formed? Firstly, the effects of acid rains. All these aspects I will discuss in this video. So watch the video till the end. First of all, what is acid rains? So acid rains means precipitation of acids present in the raindrops. It means acid levels present in the raindrops. So acid rains means precipitation of acid present in the raindrops. Generally, the raindrop contain pH level above 5.6, right? So in water drop, generally in rainy seasons, the water drop contain pH level above 5.6 level. pH level above 5.6. All of you know that. So pH level 0 to 7 is acid, right? And 7 to 14 is base. So the pH level 0 to 7 is acid. That means, so in raindrop, generally in rainy season, raindrop contain pH level above 5.6. Above 5.6 pH level. But in acid rains, the pH level is below 4.5. That means fully concentrated acid present in the raindrop. That means the acid levels, fully concentrated acid levels present in the raindrop. Below 4.5 means fully concentrated acid present in the rainwater. So the precipitation of acid present in the raindrops is acid rains. Generally, raindrops contain pH level above 5.6. But in acid rains, the pH level is below 4.5. That means concentrated acid is present in the acid rains. Right? So first of all, acid rains are firstly discovered in Dr. Jenny discovered acid rains in North America. So Dr. Jenny discovered acid rain in North America. So in India, acid rain reported in India in 1974. Acid rain reported in India. Firstly, right? So Dr. Jenny discovered the acid rain in North America, and in India 1974 acid rain is happened here. So right, so acid rains are happen due to the release of acidic gases SO2 and NO2 present in SO2 and NO2 gases are acidic gases, and these gases are released from industries, right? So released from industries. So in industries, what happened? In industries, burning of coal and fossil fuels, all this or burning of these compounds releases the SO2 and NO2 gases. SO2, NO2 gases are acidic gases, and these gases are released from industries. Why? Because in industries, burning of coal happens and burning of acidic fossil fuels happens. So in industries, so many compounds are burning. So in industries, SO2 and NO2 gases are released. So these released SO2 NO2 gases are combined to oxygen present in the atmosphere. Oxygen present in the atmosphere, right? So combine to oxygen present in the atmosphere and combine in the water molecule also. So to form the acid, these harmful gases, these harmful acidic gases are directly combined to the atmosphere. That means combined to the weather, and in weather oxygen is present, right? So oxygen, these gases are combined to oxygen. These gases are added to the oxygen and water molecules present in the atmosphere to form acids. Simply. So here nitrogen dioxide, right? So I am writing the equation here. So nitrogen dioxide acidic gas is combined to the oxygen present in the air, oxygen present in the weather, right? So and also water molecules present in the weather to form nitric acid. The formula for nitric acid is HNO3, right? HNO3. So SO2, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is added to the oxygen present in the weather and also water molecules present in the weather to form sulfuric acid, right? Sulfuric acid. Nitric acid and sulfuric acid are very strong acids, right? Very strong acids. These acids are nitric acid and sulfuric acid are formed in the weather, formed in the atmosphere, and these acids are mixed with raindrops and falls down on the earth. This is the process behind acid rains. So what happened? Generally, acid rains affects the human health, and it affects destroys the aquatic ecosystem, and also it destroys the soil and plants also. So acid rains affects the human health. That means respiratory problems occurs due to the acid rains. Respiratory and asthma also occurs due to the acid rains. And aquatic ecosystem means fishes, so many insects are present in the oceans, rivers, ponds, right? So this aquatic water, based on the water, so many insects are present and lived in the waters. So all these living things are affected by the acid rains. When acid rains falls down and flows into the rivers and ponds, it definitely affects the aquatic ecosystem, fishes, insects, so many. So it also destroys the soil and plants also. It destroys the plants. Acid rains. Due to the acid rains, plants are so much affected. This is the chemistry behind acid rains. Thank you for watching.